Hello, 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 and welcome. My name is Michelle Anantua of Harmony's Divine Design, and today we are going to do the introduction to ChatGPT 4. Now, some of you might have experience with ChatGPT in the ways that you use it, right? You might use it for business, you might use it to run a business, or you may use it to generate art. Well, for this presentation, we're going to look at it from an AI art tool standpoint. So, what is ChatGPT 4? We've heard it a lot lately, especially with a lot of these AI systems that are coming out. This is one in particular that I utilize within my business. So I wanted to share that knowledge with you guys. So, of course, the best thing to do is go to the source and ask the source, what are you? What can you do? How can you help me? So this presentation actually is created with the assistance of ChatGPT 4. So when I asked the system that particular question, what are you? It gave me the answer of an advanced version of the ChatGPT series, developed by OpenAI. It's a state of the art language model designed to understand and generate human like text based on the input it receives. ChatGPT 4 builds upon strengths of its predecessors, incorporating improvements in various aspects such as language, understanding, coherence, and context handling. So basically, to put it kind of in layman's terms, it's a person that you can have a really good conversation with in regards to any topic. Think of ChatGPT as the AI version of Alex Trebek from Jeopardy. Okay. Um, a ton of knowledge, a huge resource, and a tool that you can use to actually create one of a kind art. So, what exactly is ChatGPT 4 capable of? Well, one thing is natural language understanding. So, ChatGPT 4 has a deep understanding of the human language, allowing it to comprehend a wide range of topics, contexts, and nuances. Again, think of having a conversation with Alex Trebek from Jeopardy. He would have knowledge of things from art to history to current events, urban affairs, you name it, he pretty much would know a topic on it. Contextual awareness. It can maintain context over longer conversations, making it adept at following the flow of dialogue and responding appropriately. So, as you're having your conversations, as you're creating your prompts within ChatGPT 4, um, it actually creates a conversation, right? So as you give it the initial prompts and you're working with it to ultimately provide the work that you want, it's keeping up with the topics that you're discussing throughout the conversation. Generative abilities. Chat excels at generating coherent and contextually relevant responses, whether it's answering questions, engaging in discussions, or providing creative outputs such as stories, poems, or even artwork. Now, these are the responses that chat can generate to you, giving you the information that you're looking for. So think of it kind of in a manner of Google, right? A really huge search engine. And however, this you can definitely customize and personalize to do what it is that you need for it to do. So, say for instance, if you're a human resource individual and you work in recruiting, you can use Chatty to assist you with that. If you are a publisher at a um, at a company, you work on an editorial staff, Chatty can help you with that. So it really focuses on what it is you're working on. Okay. Multi-turn interaction. It can engage in multi-turn conversations, responding to sequential inputs and maintaining coherence across multiple exchanges. So if you have one chat based on one topic, say you're generating abstract art in one chat. You create another chat because you have another idea. You want to change the art style or format. You can create another conversation and it can continue to generate as long as you have the tokens and the abilities to do so. Customization and fine tuning. Users can fine tune chat for specific tasks or domains, allowing for greater customization and specialization in various applications. A whole lot of Asians in that sentence. So basically, what that is, when you break it down, it's saying that you can actually customize this system to your needs. Okay. So if you, again, are if you have your own website, you can customize ChatGPT to do functionalities that will assist you in operating your website. It can be something as simple as scheduling, creating a version of ChatGPT to utilize as a virtual assistant. In this aspect, yes, we're talking about art, but I do want you to be mindful that chat goes beyond just the art capabilities. Chat can help you in your everyday today activities. Creative outputs. One of ChatGPT4's notable features is its ability to generate not only text, but other types of creative content, such as artwork. Through partnerships with image generation models like DALL-E, ChatGPT4 can produce visual content based on textual prompts. So, this is the part that my business really focuses on. As you see, even the background behind me right now, that is based on words. I created that from words. So even the picture in the frame, the setting, all of that is words that I put into ChatGPT to generate this art that's behind me. So now is a moment where we can take our time and test out the capabilities, right? So here are a few prompts that you can copy and paste. Feel free to screenshot them. Um, so you can put it into ChatGPT4 and play around with it, experiment with it. Feel free to add words, take out words, add, models in it, whatever your heart desires. So the first is an image generation prompt, and it reads, describe a serene landscape with a shimmering lake surrounded by towering mountains and lush green forests. Okay. So I don't know about you, but even just reading that one sentence, I personally can picture it in my head, and putting it in ChatGPT4, it's going to create a beautiful image. Artistic style transfer. The prompt reads, describe applying the impressionist style of Claude Monet to a picture of a bustling city street. So, an impressionist art style and a famous painter allows that combination. When you put it into ChatGPT, it helps the system identify exactly what type of texture and what type of art style you're looking to conduct or convey in regards to creating the artistic style of your image. Creative collaboration. Engage in a brainstorming session for a surrealistic artwork that combines elements of nature with futuristic technology. So, again, chat has the abilities to create a variety of different of things. In regards to landscapes, you can do nature, you can do urbanscapes, you can do the sky, you can do the beach. I mean, literally what we see, what we experience with our eyes, chat can just about create it. Again, customization and personalization. This is another prompt. So again, feel free to screenshot. Prompt, describe generating a fantasy creature inspired by a combination of dragon and a phoenix with a unique color scheme and distinctive features. So in this particular instance, we're telling the system, hey, this is an idea that we have, a combination of animals, of creatures blended together to make one. Let me see what you come up with. In chat would render an image along those scales. Okay, that's the parameters you're going to put in a system. Exploration and experimentation. The prompt reads, experiment with abstract shapes and vibrant colors to create a dynamic composition that evokes a sense of energy and movement. All right. So this concludes the slideshow. I want you guys to definitely go ahead and experiment with those prompts. Sometimes it really pays for us to think outside the box. Okay, so again, I hope you enjoyed this presentation. This is the first in the series. So this is the introduction to what exactly is ChatGPT 4. I hope I provided some insight and some value. So again, if you have any questions, definitely feel free, drop them in the comments below. Thanks again for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.